Yeah, have you ever seen someone masking image like this before? So this is the image we are going to be working on, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this image on Pixellab. I'm going to be showing you how to create it on Pixellab, how to mask image inside a shape on Pixellab. So let's get started. And with those of you guys that are not submit my assignment, be careful. So the first thing we are going to be doing is we are going to open our Pixellab. The first thing we are going to be doing is we are going to open our Pixellab and delete all these things that are there. I delete these. To me, I don't like changing color or background color. What I do is I just create a shape. I create a shape and I just lock it into background. So I create the shape and I'm going to go to my layers and I'm going to lock it so that it will not be movable. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to create a circle. Yeah, this is the circle and I'm going to give it black color. So this is the circle you want to mask image inside. So the next thing again, the next step is to bring in your image. So you go to photo, this is my image, and I bring it in. I crop it and I bring it in. You see, this is the image I want to mask. So I want to mask this image into the background. Okay, after you are done with that, the next thing, listen very carefully. The third step is to go to your layers, click on the circle and duplicate. Go back, go to copy. You see another copy of the circle here. Change the color to another color. Now let's change the color to red. Okay, let's use red. So now we can't get the exact because it has to be on the same layer with the other circle. So how do we do that? We go to our layers, we off. You see this thing that looks like eyes on your Pixellab. You toggle it. When you toggle it off, it will disappear. When you toggle it on, it will appear. So you toggle this man off so that we can set up this circle on the same page. Okay, now that they are on the same page, you toggle on the man again. When you toggle on the man again, you make sure the man you are using, his head is popping out. So I want his head to pop out from the circle. So after you are done with that, the next thing is you create a rectangle. Create a rectangle around the man. You see, create a rectangle around the man and let the rectangle be something that is not in the color before. So let's use sky blue. Okay, we use sky blue and we bring this circle to the front. How do we bring the circle to the front? You go to your object tool and you go to front. You say to front, to back, click on to front. The circle have come to the front. Then we go to our layers. You click on this icon below your layers. So this icon will make you to be able to select two or more objects. So when you select them, you merge them together. Are you sure you want to make this object? Yes. You merge them together. When you merge them together, you now click on that image you have merged. Don't shake anything. Go to erase color, enable the erase color and take the this eyedropper tool and erase this red. Now when you erase the red, you see that we're having the mask already, but it has not fully be shaped. So the next thing you're going to be doing after you have erased the red is to click on your layer. When you click on your layer, click on the same tool again, select the image you have merged and removed and select the image under it. Don't select the circle. The circle is our template. So you merge the two of them again. So after you merge the both of them again, you go back to the same route. Go to erase color. When you click on the erase color, enable it and go to eyedropper to over on the blue and click OK. Now we have erased that one. So you go to your eraser tool after you have done with that. Then the next thing is you go to your black background, the background that will cycle. So you go to your layer, click on the circle and go to stroke and enable the stroke. So as you can see now, we have our image mask in the circle. That is how to mask image. So this is your assignment today. Mask an image in a circle and screenshot and submit to me on my WhatsApp page. Have a wonderful time. We are going to meet tomorrow.